I can afford to lose my money because I planned for it, simply put, but I cannot afford to lose my hope. That is something I just cannot afford to lose. All right, guys, I'm going to let you know how I really feel about these prop firms and what's been happening in the industry. Now, before I get into it, for a full disclosure, I was not funded with MFF. I had challenge accounts with them. I had quite a few in phase 2, and I was very close to being funded, right on the cusp. So let's get into it. A quick backstory, guys. I love the prop firm model, okay, because it works for me personally. Maybe not for everybody else, but it definitely works for me. So I have a pretty good life right now. I have a wife, I have 5 kids, I have a nice house, and I made low 6 figures at my job. So what does that mean for me? Now you may say, whoa, hold up a minute. Tim, you were making in the low 6 figures at your job? Yes, but for me and my family size and what we have going on in our bills, I couldn't put aside not even $500 or $1,000 a month in a small personal account to trade myself. So what did I do? I turned to these prop firms for hope that maybe I will eventually figure out trading and become a profitable trader. Now, I do have a video on this channel where it took me literally 25 or over 25 challenges to finally get my first funded account with a prop firm. All right, and I was totally okay with that because I never lost my hope. I never lost my dream of becoming a funded trader. I was totally okay losing those prop firm challenges because I knew why I lost them. I knew what I was doing as a trader, and I accepted those losses. Okay? But every day, that hope or that idea of maybe I can become a funded trader if I figure this out, and I am figuring it out, but maybe I can become a funded trader with these prop firms. So when this whole thing happened with MFF, I was really upset about it because I love the prop firm model. Now, I'm not here to promote any one particular prop firm or tell you guys what to do. In fact, again, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not advice by any means. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm just sharing with you my story. Now, when it comes to these prop firms, guys, I think what may happen here, the regulation is coming in. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe the model will change and, regulation will happen and things will be for the better. But I really can't say because I honestly don't know what's going to happen here with the prop firms. Will it trickle down to other prop firms? Maybe so, but only time will tell. So where does that leave guys like myself, and maybe you can relate too, making decent money, okay, but not able to put $500 or even $1,000 away in their own little personal account. Now, I do have a very small personal account that I do trade, and I can tell you that, this may leave a lot of us having to go back to these $500 or $1,000 accounts, and then what happens there, you end up trying to make it big, so you over leverage, you over risk, and then you end up blowing that account. For me, I am very happy to give my money to a prop firm at the chance of possibly getting funded, because I know if I had that money in my personal account, let's say $1,000, $2,000, it could be any number for that matter. Let's say I had it in there, and going through my learning and learning how to trade, I would have lost more money of my own personal money than I would have by trying to do a funded challenge. So, that is one reason why I feel like prop firms are better for me when I was getting started in trading. Now, does this mean I'm giving up and losing hope? Absolutely not. I'm going to continue trading. I have other prop firm challenges going. I am going to continue trading my own personal capital, and hopefully that grows and grows and grows on its own. But for me, I will just continue doing what I'm doing. I'm working on my algorithm, which is going really, really well. It's giving me some nice results, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to continue working on that and continue my trading journey so that I can be at the level I want to be, hopefully in months, if not years from now. And guys, you have to remember, this is not a get rich quick overnight thing in trading. It's not that. There are a lot of people I see who come into this and they try to start with these small accounts and then take them up to, $30,000, 50 grand, 100 grand, whatever the case may be. And it's just not that. Now, that doesn't mean it doesn't happen, right? Because it does in very rare cases. You hear the one-off story of somebody who took $2 grand and they turned it into $100,000. So, but what's the probability or likelihood of that really happening with a small account? It's definitely not in our favor, right? So all we can do is continue to press forward and trade like we know how to trade. I just felt like I had to get on here. I had to say something regarding what's happening with prop firms right now and really how I feel about it. Emotionally, guys, this did hit me pretty hard because I was really excited about prop firms, and now I just honestly don't know what to expect. I don't know, again, if it's going to trickle down to other prop firms or what may happen. I certainly hope not, but perhaps, again, this may be for the better in the long run. So what are my plans now? Well, really simply put, nothing has changed. I mean, prop firms have only been around for 3 or 4 years, and to be honest with you, I got into trading probably a little more than 15 years ago, and there were no prop firms back then. I got serious about trading about 3 to 4 years ago, and I will continue pressing on if you are passionate about trading as something you truly want to do. So at the end of the day, no, I did not lose all my hope completely. I'm just going to continue building my system, my algorithm, and continue educating on trading and just sharing with you guys everything I have learned throughout the years as a trader and what has helped me become successful, and also share with you my pitfalls as well. That being said, guys, I do have a free Telegram group chat in the description below here, where I am sharing with you bits and pieces on what I am building, my system, what I'm doing on a given day with regard to my trades. Feel free to hop in there, take a look. It may or may not be for you, but either way, just want to get on here and share my thoughts with you guys. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.